Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I asked ChatGPT, what are some of the most popular shaving questions? And it shot back with this. That's a great topic. Shaving is surprisingly full of nuance, and people have a lot of recurring questions about it. Here's a breakdown of the most common shaving questions. General shaving questions. What's the best way to get a close shave without irritation? The best way to get a close shave is by using a single blade, where one side of the blade contacts the skin, not 5 blades in a row that are pulling and tugging. A double-edged blade, as it's called, where you shave with one side of the blade at a time, in a razor such as this, will slice through the beard quickly, efficiently, and easily, giving you a baby smooth shave every time. And the blades last much longer than the blades in the cartridge razors. Number 2, should I shave with or against the grain? You should always shave with the grain, then across the grain, and if you're smooth enough, you can stop. If you need to get a bit smoother, you can go against the grain on the third pass. If you go against the grain on the first pass, that's a sure path to irritation, aggravation, and a bad shave. You will not be happy. So shave with the grain, then across the grain, and then against the grain if need be. Number 3, how often should I shave? How often do you want to shave? You can shave every day, every other day, once a week, whatever's good for you. It may depend on your schedule, what's coming up. How closely shaven do you need to be? Do you have a function where you want to look really good? Are you going to be on camera? Are you meeting a lot of people, business, etc.? Pleasure, whatever. If you want to look nice, clean, smooth, shave before the event, and it's personal preference. Number 4, what's the difference between a cartridge razor, a safety razor, and a straight razor? These are cartridge razors. They use 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blades. They're easily replaceable. Pop the old one out, slide a new one in. Shaving with a razor like this with 5 blades, you're pulling on the beard and then it's being sliced off, sometimes below the skin because you're pulling and slicing at the same time. You may wind up with irritation and ingrown hairs. A safety razor with a blade like this does not pull on the beard. As long as you have a sharp blade, it will slice through cleanly at the surface of the skin and give you a very close, comfortable shave. No irritation, no ingrown hairs. This is a traditional straight razor. You can see there's a huge difference between this and this cartridge razor and this safety razor. The straight razor is nearly the same concept as the safety razor because it uses a single blade right here and it slices through the beard cleanly without any pulling or tugging. Again, as long as the razor is sharp enough. You may ask, what are the best of these 3? In my opinion, the closest shave attainable comes from a properly sharpened straight razor. After that is the safety razor with a sharp blade. And there are many different types of safety razors in varying stages of aggressiveness. Lastly, the cartridge razor with pulling and tugging, and the cost of the replacement blades is quite expensive. These double-edged razor blades are very reasonably priced, and remember, you're flipping back and forth while shaving, so the life of the blade is longer than this type of blade. It's just 5 of the most basic questions regarding shaving. If you want to learn much more about shaving or pick up some of these shaving products, just go to ShaveNation.com, enter whatever you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Also check out my YouTube channel, Geofatboy, which has over 100,000 subscribers. Thanks to you all. So please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 950 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.